Hi everyone, this is the last library I'm trying out of MuseSounds in MuseScore 4 Beta. I know a lot of people are curious to see and hear what the piano and organ sounds can do, so let's take a look. There are quite a number of different instruments included in this pack, so I've used each instrument separately just so that we can hear exactly what each one can do. I really don't know why this organ marking is there. It should be down here. I'm not going to worry about it. Let's start with the grand piano. The grand piano has a great warmth in the middle and low registers, which one would expect from a grand piano. Some of these high piano chords have some arpeggiation in them. I guess it's to make it more realistic, but it's a bit much, and it just sounds like an amateur player who can't play the notes together. I think it might only be in the louder dynamics, which is even stranger. The pedal markings are working, which makes a nice difference to the sound. They're not working in the most recent beta, but they are working in the most recent nightly, which I'm running now. So I'm confident that will be rolled out to the beta soon. Make sure to keep checking MuseHub for updates. Just go to the cog and click on updates. Here's the pedal more obviously. Quite a nice natural sound. The grand piano does have quite a hard sound, which may perhaps be good for jazz, but perhaps that's also why they included a soft piano, which we can see here in the mixer. There's our soft piano, which is certainly more suited to pop ballad chords, but it has a strange felty impact sound that's especially noticeable on headphones. Changing that to the upright piano has quite a nice personal sound without being too bright, which could actually be great for pop chords like this. I'm also missing the legato sound in these slurs in the piano. This is back to the grand piano, but the staccato comes across really nicely. Accents don't seem to have any effect, unfortunately. I must apologize to my counterpoint teachers for this example. A glissando works well, and similar to the harp sound, we need to change the properties, the playback properties of this glissando, so that it only does the white keys, or I suppose you could do the black keys, to make it more realistic. So we'll leave that on white keys. Lovely. I quite like this harpsichord sound, but it has no dynamics response, which I suppose is authentic for a harpsichord. There is only one organ supplied with this pack, and it's a Hammond organ. Let's have a listen. Slightly strange that that does respond to the dynamics. I mean, it's really just a volume change, but it does. I think we would have liked to see some kind of church organ in this pack as well, or at least the option to remove the tremolo. There's also very little definition in the bass, which is a pity. However, the MS Basic option is still quite a nice option for the organ. That works really well. On the other hand, there are 3 electric piano sounds. So let's listen to the dream pianos first. Then we have a Suitcase Rhodes piano and a Whirly 200A, both of which produced sound by striking metal tines and using an electric pickup to capture the sound, but they have quite different tonal qualities. Let's try the Suitcase first. And now the Whirly. And to finish off today, we have the Celeste, or Celesta, depending on how you want to say it. I really like the Celeste sound. In fact, I have no criticisms. The dynamics are natural and can be sweet or ominous, as I've tried to do here. Just a really clear, nice sound. And that covers all of the keyboard instruments in MuseSounds, which completes my initial look at all of the MuseSounds packs. I'll be doing some follow-ups on bugs that get fixed, as well as some comparisons between old and new MuseScore sounds. So please do subscribe if you would like to see those. Bye!